sunglasses thing.
Alright, so what I ended up doing with the repair on the Highpointe light, spinning, light staying on, turning off. I pushed down on the frame. I pushed down on the top right frame, and the relay is catching now. So I just pushed down hard, and it seemed to be working. But the issue is the very bottom micro switch. Oh, ready? If you want to, you can tie them together, make it close. It's just a dry contact, and then it'll just be rigged until you get a new micro switch. If the micro switch is the problem, but it's just a dry contact. Oh yes, there's power going into it too. Don't do that. But that is fixing it. Push down on the top frame, and that's seems to be working. All right.